on a conference call. I'll call you right back.
Yeah, hey, man. It's been a pleasure, bro. Yeah, I appreciate it. You too, man. It's been a pleasure.
So, the Antonio Johnson Show.
7 o'clock tonight, boss.
In about 2 hours.
7 o'clock tonight. Y'all make sure y'all turn it on. I got special guest Governor Reese out of New Orleans going to be on the show today.
Oh, yeah.
Urban inspiration dude. You know, that got his thing, you know, doing his thing. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, yeah. So, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. And one last question before we got enough time, and I meant to ask you earlier.
Okay.
And I asked several people when they come through here, is there a Dallas sound? And I figured out, let me just tell you my take.
Okay.
From being here, and everybody was like, Houston got a sound, so-and-so got a sound. I realized that Dallas was such a big melting pot that it ain't no Dallas sound.
Mm-hmm.
It's just it's a pot full of so many different sounds that it ain't no Dallas sound.
Right.
But you born and raised Dallas.
I wasn't born and raised in Dallas, but I'm long enough here to you know what I'm saying, be tatted up. I got the skyline on me, so I'm born and raised in Dallas. But it is a melting pot, but it has been typecast.
Okay.
With what? The sound.
Okay.
Is that boogie dance music, stanky leg type sort of music.
Exactly.
And
so
there ain't nothing wrong with that. It ain't nothing wrong with that because hip hop, rap music has so many different genres of style, if you will, that there's nothing really wrong with that. But if there is another genre that should be recognized out of Dallas, then it needs to do its thing, because I don't think that specific lane is the one that should be left up to the one that's going to represent and define what Dallas is about, because it's so much more than that. We got to appreciate all that. And you know, for a second, man, I'm gonna admit that I was kind of hating on that. But then I saw the beef between Soulja Boy and Ice-T. You familiar with that? Yeah. And how Soulja Boy just gave it to Ice-T, and he was so right. He was so right on how he just like put that out there like that. And I was like, damn, what am I hating on? This other, you know what I'm saying? There's no reason. There's no room for hating hip hop. Right. There's no room for it. Look what it did to Biggie and Tupac.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So,
thank y'all for listening to another edition of the Round Table. I won't be here next week because we celebrating somebody's 12th birthday. Happy birthday.
Camera lady.
The camera lady. I love you. Happy birthday. Her birthday's actually tomorrow.
Okay.
But we're going to celebrate it next Saturday. So I'll be on daddy duty.
All right.
So we'll see y'all the following Saturday on the Industry Roundtable. Thanks for listening. Peace.
Slap.
Slap.